abducted child in Mill Creek, Washington, Snohomish County. Snowcom is looking for a child who was last seen at Mill Creek, Washington, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Annabelle Martini. She is a white, one-day-old infant female. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Jamie Martini. She is a 20-year-old Native American female with blonde hair and brown eyes. She is believed to be 5 feet 3 inches, weighing 135 pounds. They may be traveling in an unknown vehicle. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please call 911 or contact 425-921-5771 immediately. Sunday night.
Time is 5:27 p.m. Pacific.
Monday, sunny.
Alright, third time this week. This is starting to get kind of old, but yep, looks like I missed TV activation too, so radio, but I mean, yeah, that's like the third time this week, so I don't know what's going on with Seattle, but it's just starting to get weird, so see you guys later.